Question. Are you truly doing whatever it takes to reach your goals?
You have to be willing to do whatever it takes to reach your goal. How can I get bigger?
Okay, so what is up mga kapepe? Samahan nyo ako sa isang sobrang basic pero sobrang effective na workout. Okay, so unang exercise agad-agad, deadlift. Okay, warm up muna tayo. 140 kg agad-agad, okay? Sobrang importante ng deadlift guys, lalo na kung ang goal natin is ma-improve yung overall strength ng katawan natin, ma-increase yung overall mass ng muscle natin, okay? Kasi ang deadlift guys, it trains your legs, your glutes, your traps, upper back, your core, everything, okay? Sobrang time-tested na ng exercise na to. I think you should do this as well. Even if ang goal natin is just hypertrophy, okay? Suggested ko dito guys is to go around 70%, okay? 70 to 80% ng 1 rep max natin. And we'll be doing 5 sets of 5 reps, okay? I think it's the most effective and the safest program sa mga ganitong klaseng exercise, okay? 5 sets of 5 reps, not going really heavy, pero magfo-focus tayo dun sa form, magfo-focus tayo dun sa technique na gusto nating makuha, okay? So, sobrang basic guys, deadlift. Ito naman, next exercise, isa din sa mga paborito ko. Napaka-solid na mass builder, lalo na sa thickness ng back natin, okay? Itong exercise na to is bent over barbell rows, okay? Kadalasan tinatawag na deadlift rows ng mga halimaw na sa pagbubuhat, okay? Ang pinagkaiba ng bent over barbell rows compare sa deadlift rows is kapag sinabi natin deadlift rows, ito yung rowing na merong halong Johnny English kung tawagin, no? Hindi ganun ka-perfect yung form, pero ang goal natin is ma-row yung weight at ma-improve yung strength natin sa movement na yan, no? So ito, sobrang basic ng exercise na to, no? Pero this is time-tested, okay? Sobrang daming muscles na tatamaan, yung core natin, yung back natin, yung lower back natin, legs, di ba? Yung forearms, lahat. Okay, so napaka-solid na yan. Something you should try, okay? Next one is bench press. Okay, ako guys, I think this is my weakest or my weak point, no? Yung bench press talaga. Hindi talaga kasi masyado nagbe-bench press. More on dips ako pagdating sa chest exercise. Okay, pero ito, I did some few sets. Again, 5x5. 5 sets of 5 reps, around 70 to 80% of 1 rep max. Okay, ang technique sa bench press guys, kung gusto nyo lumakas sa bench press is mag-focus kayo dun sa ilalim. Okay, yung pause, kung tawagin, yung pause sa ilalim. Kasi kapag lumakas kayo sa pause, same with squats, diba? Same with pull-ups, no? Lalo na sa bench press, okay? Kapag kayo lumakas tayo sa ilalim, is automatic, okay? Madali nang nating mabuhat, madali tayong makapag-improve sa movement na yan, okay? So, bench press, again, 5 sets of 5 reps, okay? Around 70 to 80% of your 1 rep max, okay? Sobrang solid na exercise, another time-tested na movement, something you should try as well, okay? Ganito lang ka-basic yung program ko. I only do compound exercise mostly, okay? Kasi ayokong magsayang ng oras sa gym, okay? Ayokong nang magsayang ng sobrang daming volume sa mga isolation exercises, lalong-lalo na kung kaya naman natin i-hit majority ng muscles natin sa compound exercises, okay? At ang kagandahan sa compound exercises, bukod sa sobrang daming muscles yung matatamaan, is mas satisfying siya, okay? Mas satisfying siya para sa akin. Feel na feel ko talaga na nag-workout ako, okay? Compare sa kapag ka nag-isolation exercise lang ako, is para kang walang masyadong binuhat ng araw. Siyempre, yung last exercise na ginawa ko, another staple, okay? Standing barbell overhead press, okay? This exercise train your core, train your shoulders, your triceps, your glutes, di ba? Kita nyo naman yung glutes, di ba? Nakalubog. At sobrang satisfying makapag-progress sa movement na to, okay? Kasi sobrang hirap ng exercise na yan. Kung tatanungin nyo guys kung ano yung pinaka-the best or isa sa pinaka-the best na exercise para sa upper body, I think this is the one, okay? More than the bench press, okay? Almost similar sa dips, pero ibang category rin kasi talaga itong overhead press, okay? Nasa kulata category rin yan. Ang sets and reps dito, again, 5 sets of 5 reps ang ginagawa ko. Minsan, 5 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Okay, medyo light. Pero ito, medyo ginagamay ko lang kasi matagal-tagal ako hindi nag-overhead press. Okay, so, baka by next day, okay, makapag-heavy na tayo dyan. Okay, so yan. Sobrang basic, di ba? Alam nyo naman. See you on the next Kapepe workout. Let's go! Wake the fuck up. Hotdog Michael. Chubby is the new pogi.